Mommy.
Move your head, boy.
Mommy. No, Mommy, no.
Give him the cookie now. I'll give you another one. Here, Mom. Here, Manny. Here. You want a cookie? Here you go. Look at a baby eat a cookie. Pick up the cookie now, boy.
Thank you, Mom.
No, baby, no more.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Manny. Manny. Look. Who's that? Manny. Who's that? Momo. Who's that?
Cookie.
Who's that?
Cookie. Cookie.
Who's that?
Cookie.
Alright. Go sit down and eat your cookie. Go sit down and eat your cookie, please. Move.
Cookie. Where do we cookie? Benjamin or cookie?
Well, if you would sit down, I could see Benjamin. Move. Move now, Momo. Move. You have to move so I can see Benjamin. Move, baby. Momo, move now. There you go. Now you can see Benjamin. You have to kiss this, Ben. Kiss it. Oh, you too, Momo. You have to kiss that. Keep kissing. Oh, thank you. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi,
Say how are you?
Papa.
Say how you doing? Say call me. 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 Alright, go sit down, okay? You want to show Grandpa eat a cookie? Say, I want to go to Grandpa's house. Grandpa's house? Okay. Who's that? Momo? Say bye.
Bye.
Benjamin, you gotta say bye.
Bye.
Wait, you gotta go. You gotta come over here and say bye. Come over here and say bye.
Bye.
Come over here. Over here.
Bye. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Papa.
Over here.
Hi, Daddy. Hello. Hello.
Right there. No, you don't want to give kisses? All right, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.